Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, I'm Nauri Joel, and we're diving more into computer skills. And as usual, I'm here to make technology easier for you. I'm here to make tech easy. So today, I want us to dive into another application known as Microsoft Excel. And Microsoft Excel is very important in a way that it's first and foremost, it is the calculator of the what of your computer. So in case you want to carry out any calculations on Microsoft Excel, you can just use your computer to carry out calculations. I know most of you have been looking for a calculator on your phone because they say your phone is is a computer, right? And it's a calculator. You can carry out addition, multiplication, but you may look for it on your PC, but you are not seeing it. I'm here to tell you that Microsoft Excel is your calculator. So in Microsoft Excel, today I want to introduce you to the world of Microsoft Excel, and we are going to dive deeper into Microsoft Excel. I hope that you know how to open up your Microsoft Excel sheet, and here it is. Now in Microsoft Excel, first and foremost, seeing some boxes, right? These boxes here is what we call a cell. These boxes here you are seeing. So a cell is an intersection of rows and columns. If I speak about a row, this one here is a row. This one here, A, the whole of A is a row, and going horizontal like this one here is what we call a column. So the intersection of rows and columns, this one here is what we call a cell. Now these cells here have names, what we call the table array. Now the array. So now this cell here, the one I've selected, is A1. And if I select a cell, that cell will be now called what we call the active cell. So what is an active cell? An active cell is a selected cell, meaning if I click, like now currently A is an active cell, but if I go to B2, this one here is not an active cell, but it is a cell, but not an active cell. Why? It's not selected. But if I select it, it will be now called an active cell. Now, how do we name these active cells? These active cells are named based on the row and the column. Like now, this cell here I've selected is A1. So this cell is called A1. If I select this one here will be called B5. So now this cell is called B5. Okay. Now, this one here is the workspace in Microsoft Excel, and this Microsoft Excel we have what we call sheets. These sheets actually before I go to sheets, you're gonna realize that here, if I click this, an active cell will be showed here, which is now B5. If I click here, active cell here will be showed as A1. So the active cell is a selected cell. If I click this one, the active cell will be B2. It will show you here the name, the way they name it, and I think now you know how they name it. Now in this workspace here is what we call the sheet. The sheet is just like a page in Microsoft Excel. So the page in Microsoft Excel is called a sheet. So now this one is sheet 1. In case I want to go to the next page, it is sheet 2. In case I want to go to the next page, it will be sheet 3. In case I want to add a page, in case I want to add a sheet, if I say page, this is a page in Microsoft. It's like if I say page, just have it in your mind that it's a sheet, because the sheet is the page in Microsoft Excel. So I just click here add, and another sheet will come, sheet 4. I see. So this one here will be now my sheet 1. So this is what we call the page in Microsoft Excel. In also Microsoft Excel, we have what we call the formula bar. The formula bar is there where you see my cursor here. That's what we call the formula bar. And if you click on the formula bar, it's saying that insert a function. So the formula bar is where they will show you the formula basing on the cell, like, basing on the active cell, like this cell here, C2. In case I put 6, and then I go here, the formula bar will show me the function here. The formula here is 6 according to the active cell C1. But if I choose the active cell A1, the function there is none. I've not put the function, but according to C1, the active cell, the function will show up here. So these are a few of the terminologies in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching, and in my next video I'll be showing you how to create different shortcuts and how to navigate and solve different errors in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Don't forget to subscribe.